Over the years, I have been part of the CycloRotor development, every prototype, every demonstrator, every test. CR-42 gave us the first real confirmation providing flight data, system limits and engineering insights, all tested in reality. The CR-60 originates directly from the CR-42, representing a sweet spot in scaling. Efficiency, thrust and controllability improve significantly compared to smaller rotors. Bigger rotor means higher efficiency, lower RPM with substantial performance gains. The CR-60 will be certified first as auxiliary propulsion system and afterwards as main propulsion, enabling complete new aircraft architectures.
When it comes to making the CR-60 market ready, structural and mechanical engineering are absolutely crucial. Our goal is to deliver a product while meeting market expectations and aviation requirements. The mechanical structure is the heart of the CycloRotor. It defines its reliability and the long-term durability. The key difference between the prototype and market-ready system is moving from exploration to full control. At this stage, there is no guessing. You must know the loads, the performance, the lifetime, and how the system behaves over time in different environmental conditions. To achieve this, we look at the CycloRotor as a complete system, but we also break it down into its fundamental components. By validating every element step by step and then bringing everything back together, we ensure that the entire system works reliably as one. Through this process, we gain the full confidence in the final structural design and in our ability to manufacture CycloRotor at scale.
The CR-60 is being developed in line with established aerospace standards. We follow ARP 4754 and ARP 4761 as key references for development assurance, safety, validation and verification. In parallel, we are aligning our tunnel processes with EN 9100 to meet aerospace quality requirements. Expectations change when you move from a prototype toward a real product. A prototype demonstrates feasibility, but the product must be reliable and supported across its entire life cycle. That includes documentation, defined processes, and the ability to support customers during certification activities with a clear validation and verification approach. Material selection and supplier partnerships are a crucial part of this transition. From an operation perspective, repeatability, process control, and compliance are essential. A market-ready product must not only perform, but also be manufacturable, cost-efficient, and competitive. The CR-60 is being developed with all these goals in mind. As design maturity, certification focus, and supply chain efficiency come together, the transition toward industrial production becomes feasible.
The CR-60 is not yet on the market, but we are working intensively to get it there. For the first time in history, customers will be able to purchase a CycloRotor, moving it from concept into a real accessible solution. Customers will approach us with specific operational challenges, and we will be able to provide tailored propulsion solutions that address their requirements with precision and reliability. This will enable manufacturers to design a completely new breed of aircraft with new flight capabilities. Drones and eVTOLs will have higher maneuverability, capable to handle narrow landing sites, crowded airspace, and smooth transitions from hover to forward flight. They will be able to handle challenging environmental conditions, operating in harsh weather, hot and high, gusty crosswinds, sand and dust, as well as icing and rainy conditions. The CR-60 will be the beginning of a new era in aviation. Thanks for watching.